what you want. Project this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Okay, this is painful to draw at this point, but we're going to do it the other way now. We're going to see that these are all equal. Okay, so now we see how we have unique matrices A and B such that Kronecker product is equal. And notice we still have the fundamental pairs. AE equals B squared. DH equals B squared. CG equals 0. And BF equals 1. It worked out still. So I don't know what the, significance to these fundamental pairs is. And then notice how entries like what? what would AH equal? DE. But you can kind of pick these. AH must be equal to DE, and then where is that pair? DE and AH. Well, that's got to be, we know from the equations that that's that one where it's the negative b squared equals negative b squared. And we see that right in the middle here. Negative b squareds. It all works out in the end. Again, I don't know what the significance of these, of this is, this weird system of matrices that is produced. I can tell you that I would be comfortable. One second, where was it? Because this was the conclusion that I ultimately came to. I would be comfortable. Okay, so this is a little bit more complicated. But if we again take a look at, okay, so this is now, I'm in over my head, if we look at again, b squared, b, 0. This is a little homework for the reader. If you want to try something at home, I would maybe look at this. This is a little bit interesting, and I don't want to work it out. Okay, so if you take these as pairs, v1, v2, if these is columns, v3, v4. I don't actually want to talk about that. I would be comfortable with making the conjecture that this tensor product, those just make a column matrix, or those just make column vectors that are the matrix of this tensor product. And what that would say to me is that you need the 4 permutations of the tensor products of 2 linearly independent vectors spans R4. That's how I'm going to end the video for all the real math heads out there who stuck to the end. I don't have usually I would have a fun outro where I scream to my folks, but my hand hurts from writing, and I don't know. I hope this was a fun video, guys. This is the kind of stuff that I do in my free time, I guess. Fortunately or unfortunately, this is, So I don't know. I hope this was a fun little glimpse into kind of the problem solving stuff that I can get up to sometimes. You know what I mean? The mischief. The behind the scenes mischief over here on Lesh. The ins and outs of the day to day. That's what I'm. But no, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that this was, accessible to people. I hope people liked I hope everybody could find something in this that they, at least thought was kind of interesting, at least. Maybe walk away thinking math is cooler now than when you did coming into the video, or something like that. Or maybe you think I'm cooler. I don't know. Hopefully you enjoyed this, everybody. Hopefully everybody enjoyed this. All right. That's my opinion. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you all soon. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Love you. Bye.